Hello friends, welcome to Krakow video series. Today we are going to discuss about a B school, SDA Bocconi Asia Center. In this video we are going to discuss all about its placements, the deadlines, the application process, how they judge even admissions, everything we are going to discuss in this video. So let's get started. So the SDA Bocconi Asia Center is a pan-Asian hub in Mumbai that has been deploying executive education and postgraduate programs since 2012. And these programs that we are speaking of, they have been implemented and designed by the SDA Bocconi School of Management, Italy, which is again a leading B school in Europe. So this B school strives to deploy and disseminate innovative business knowledge to contribute to the overall development of individuals and organizations. So in this video, as I already mentioned, we are going to discuss everything that you need to know about the SDA Bocconi Mumbai, such as we'll discuss everything about eligibility, the programs, which programs you can fit in, the fees, the placement, scholarships, batch profile, everything we are going to discuss. So without further delay, let's get started. So here we can look at the programs that are offered at SDA Bocconi Asia Center. The first is the International Master in Business, IMB. So the IMB is the flagship program of SDA Bocconi Asia Center. It is equivalent to the postgraduate program in management that we know of in Indian B schools. So this again is, the course has been implemented and designed by the SDA Bocconi School of Management, Italy, as we already saw a few minutes back. This is their flagship program and this video will mainly be focused around this program. SDA Bocconi also has other programs like the International Executive Master in Business, Open Programs and Custom Programs. So let's discuss in detail about the International Master in Business program. First, before we know about the specifics of this program, let us discuss if you are eligible and how you can become eligible for this program. First, if you see, applicants must have an undergraduate degree in any discipline, or you can also be in your final year if you are applying now. Also, if you want to know if they are preferring freshers or people with experience, well, this is for you. It is designed for freshers and young executives up to 5 years work ex, right? So it is designed for freshers and young executives up to 5 years of work ex. So let's discuss the eligibility as far as your academics is concerned. You need a minimum of 50% across 10th, 12th and your undergraduation score, and a minimum aggregate of 65% of 12th, 10th and your undergraduate. Now let's discuss which exams you need to take in order to be eligible for this SDA Bocconi Asia Center. So you need to appear for at least one of the below mentioned tests before you can submit your application. And this is one very good thing about this B school. It takes in a lot of examination scores as the qualifying examinations. First, we have the Bocconi test. Then you can also take CAT and appear for this B school. You can apply through your GMAT scores. You can apply through your NMAT scores. You can apply through your GRE scores. So these are all the options that you have if you want to apply to this B school. And in case you do not have your CAT, GMAT, NMAT or GRE scores, you will be asked to take the Bocconi test in order to qualify for your application. So there is no additional fee that you need to pay for the Bocconi test. So you need to pay for the application process, and in case you do not have any of the other competitive examination scores with you, you will have to take the Bocconi test, which will be free of cost for you. Now in case you have taken both CAT and GMAT and you do not know which score to give, you can give your multiple scores and the best ones will be considered, right? So this is something again good for you. Now let's speak of the cutoffs. SDA Bocconi Asia Center clearly states that you must score well in the admission tests. Doesn't matter whichever test you take, all the tests that we mentioned in the previous slide, all of these are included. You must score well in these admission tests, but there is no cutoff restriction. Often in other B schools, you have this restriction that you need to get 85 percentile plus or certain percentile plus, and if you fail to achieve that cutoff, your application is rejected. This is not the case for SDA Bocconi Asia Center. Also, a high test score is definitely helpful because in case your academics is not that strong, it will make up for that loss. So there is no cutoff, but a high score is always good for while you apply for this program. Here we will also take a look at what are some indicative safe scores or average from last year's trend. Again, these are not the cutoffs. This is just an information from the last year's admission statistics. So in CAT, a 90 percentile is considered a good score. In NMAT, a score of 230 is considered a good score. In GMAT, a score of 640 is considered good. And in GRE, it's 314. So these again are not cutoffs. These are the indicative scores from last year's statistics. So let's move on. Let's go to the program fees. This is the fees in INR. So we have an admission fee of 2,50,000 rupees. We have a tuition and academic fee, which includes the Milan semester tuition fee. This is 16,10,000 rupees. So the total fees comes to 18,60,000 rupees. This is the fees of the program. Now the most important part is scholarships and fee waivers. So scholarships are very important as far as the admission to this institute is concerned, because you are eligible to a lot of scholarships based on your performance in the admission process. So SDA Bocconi Asia Center offers up to 80% merit-based tuition waivers to all eligible candidates. We will discuss in detail about this in the next few minutes. There are also scholarship awards such as Women in Leadership, Sports, Cultural Arts. Also there is this provision of Dean's Scholarship, which may be granted to a limited number of students, and this will be granted to some outstanding students for their performance. Let's discuss in more detail about these scholarships. So here, as we saw, there is an 80% merit-based scholarships. So let's say if you are actually eligible for the scholarship. So SDA Bocconi states that if your CAT percentile is somewhere between 85 to 89, or your NMAT percentile or your NMAT score is somewhere between 225 to 229, and you receive a good to excellent PI feedback, then you stand a chance to receive 0 to 30% tuition fee waiver. Again, if your CAT percentile is 90 to 95, your NMAT score is 230 to 240, with a good personal interview feedback or an excellent personal interview feedback, you stand a chance to receive a tuition fee waiver of 30 to 50%. Again, if you have a 95 percentile in CAT or greater than that, or an NMAT score of 240 plus with an outstanding personal interview feedback, you will receive tuition fee waivers ranging from 50 to 80%. So these are the range of scholarships that you might get based on your performance in the qualifying examinations and the interviews, your personal interview. So make sure you check these out, because this institute actually has a very good system of offering scholarships to the students. Again, for more information, you can check your official website, or you can email them at admissions@sdabocconiasiacenter.com. All the links will be provided to the description section of this video. Do check them out. Moving on, we will look now at the placement highlights. So let me take you directly to their placement brochure. So here you can look at the placement statistics of the class of 2021. The highest placement in INR was 21.51 LPA. The median placement was 11 LPA and the average was 11.43 LPA. So these are pretty good figures. These placement statistics are from their brochure. You can also check this out in their official website. And if you see that the participating company sector wise, ITs, consultings, BFSI, e-commerce, consumer goods, education or edtech, analytics, HR, investment banking, pharma, healthcare, real estate, supply chain, venture capitalist, private equity, others. So all the companies from all the sectors out there, they're visiting this campus for good placements. So look at this report and you will get to know the placement statistics of SDA Bocconi. Here you can have a look at the list of the companies who have had interview drives or have actually given offers to students to SDA Bocconi. All of these are actually available in their website. You can check them out in detail, and there are very good companies visiting the campus for placements, so do check them out. Moving on to the batch profile. Again, the batch profile, we will look at their brochure. So this is the batch profile of the IMB program in SDA Bocconi in 2021 to 23 batch. Average age is 23.6 years. If you see the diversity ratio, the gender diversity, it's 1:1, 50%, 50%. Academic background, 50% are engineers, 21% come from commerce backgrounds, 17 from academic backgrounds, 8 from arts, and 4 from others. If you look at the professional experience of people who are joining this institute, 44% of them are freshers and 56% are experienced peoples. So this was about the batch profile of the current batch that they are hosting. So now let's move on to their admission process. Again, let me take you to their brochure. So in the admission process, we have already discussed a few points. The candidates must be in their final year of the undergraduate degree or must have passed out of the program. The eligibility criteria again is a 50% across all academics and 65% aggregate. You need to take one of these examinations, as we already saw. And if you look at the selection process, what are the different factors and matrices on which they actually determine whether you are a fit for the program or not? So let's see. Obviously, first is academic abilities. A good academic track tells them that you are a consistent student throughout. Second, test scores. A good test score will make your chances of getting an admission more into this institute. Extracurriculars and your soft skills. Again, these are very important factors that come into play when your admission is processed. And again, the personal interview, how you perform, how the interviewers are actually evaluating you, that will make an impact on your admission process. So let's now look at the application process. Application process, first you need to apply online in their official website www.sdabocconiasiacenter.com. Do not worry, we will put the link in the description section. Do check them out. Submit your application with the test scores, essays and the relevant documents that are needed. If you have not appeared for any of the tests like GMAT, NMAT, CAT or GRE, you need to take the Bocconi test. The application fees is 2,500 rupees and this fees is not refundable. So now after you apply with the test scores and all the other details, if you are shortlisted for further rounds, you will get a notification from the institute along with the date in which you need to attend the interviews. The results will only be communicated to the accepted candidates, and tuition fee waivers or scholarships will also be communicated to you in the mail. Now let's look at some of the important dates. Round 1 is already done. What you need to look at is round 2. Today it is 18 January. 20th January is the round 2 deadline. Make sure you target this date, because if you look at round 3 and round 4, these two are subject to availability of seats. So if they have n number of seats and all these seats are already filled in round 1 and round 2, you might not even get a chance to apply in round 3 and round 4. Make sure you take this date 20th January seriously. If you have not appeared for any of the admission examinations, you can give the Bocconi test and you can apply through that test. So you don't have to worry about that. You can attempt round 2. Make sure that you apply at this date. Also, the results of round 2 will be out somewhere between 10th to 15th February. And this results will include details of your tuition fee waivers and your scholarships, right? So this is all about the dates, plus the selected candidates will get 2 weeks time to accept the offer, and so you get 2 weeks time in which you need to accept the offer and 10 to 14 days time to withdraw your acceptance. So this was all about this B School SDA Bocconi Asia Center. Make sure you check this out. You can visit the official website. You can also look at their placement brochure. You can look at their admission statistics, and make sure you target this 20th January date so that you can get a chance to get an admit to this good B school. Hope you liked this video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel Kraku CAT Preparation so that you keep getting daily updates about your MBA preparation. Thank you.